ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः इत्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधि प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री 18th chapter is Tattvamasi Prakaranam. In this chapter, Mahavakya Upadesha is given, but the Purva Paksha is Prasankhyanavadi. Those who are attending Naishkarmya Siddhi, so they must have heard Mandana and Brahmadatta. These are the Prasankhyanavadis primarily. They are the Purva Paksha dealt with in this chapter. Yenatmana viliyante udbhavanti cha vrittayah. Atma, even though it is in Karana Vibhakti, Atma is not responsible for vritti, udaya, etc. directly. How Atma is responsible? Just like how Rajju is responsible for Sarpa Utpatti. And Sarpa also will get dissolved in that same Rajju. In that way, because of Atma, vrittis get Satta and Spuranam. Their Utpatti, Sthiti and Laya. Like how in Taittiriya Upanishad, Rughuvalli, it is said, Yatova imani bhutani jayante, yena jatani jivanti, yat prayanti abhisamvishanti. So there bhutani is given. Bhutanam utpatti sthiti laya sthanam is Brahman. Here, instead of external world, the internal world is taken up. Vrittinam utpatti sthiti laya sthanam atma. So vrittis are the vivarta of atma. And it is nitya avagati rupa, nitya avagataye tasmai namodhi pratyatmane. Pratyatmane, what will be the samasa vigraha? What will be the samasa vigraha?
Pratyayana Atma Tasmai Pratyayatmane.
Pratyayanam, not pratyanam. Pratyanam atma tasmai pratyatmane. Namaha. Second shloka is for Gaudapadacharya ji. Namaskar to Gaudapadacharya. Pramathya vajropama samvritaihi Shruteraratin shatasho vachosibihi. You know, in Mandukya Upanishad, at the end of the Mandukya, there are 3 Namaskar shlokas. Which shloka is for Namaskar to Gaudapadacharya?
Ajamapi Jani Yoga.
Anybody else? Prajna Vaishakha Vedas. That is the shloka for Gaudapadacharya. So here it is a smaller meter. What I want to point out is there it is a long meter. Anyway, it's difficult to remember a lot of things. This one you can remember. What did he do with the Vajra Upama Yukti? He did the Khandanam of Ved Bahya Darshanas. And he protected Vedartha Nidhim, Raraksha Vedartha Nidhim, Vishaladhi, Namo Yatindraya, Gurur Gariyase. Gariyase, Kar Adesha will come to Guru Shabda. Guru Shabda, Priya Sthira Sphira Uru, Bahula Guru Vriddha Tripra Dirgha Vrindarakanam. Respectively, they will get what the Adeshas? Pra, Stha, Spa, Var, Bamhi, Gur, Gar. Guru will get Gar. Then Varshi, Trap, Draghi, Vrindaha. And then to that Gar, Yasun will become Gariyas. Ishthan Pratyaya will become Garishtaha. In this way. So Namo Yatindraya Guru Gariyase. Yatindra. Yatindra means Yatinam Indra. So many yatis are there. Is the highest of the sannyasi. See further now. Evam Namaskara Vyajena Prakaranartham Swasampradaya Shuddhincha Uktva Tattvamasyaadi Vakyadeva Aparoksha Jnanam Atmani iti Prakarana Siddhantam Tavad Aha. This is the Prakarana Siddhanta. Namaskar Vyajena Prakaranartham Uktva. Namaskar Vyajena means Namaskar Nimittena. What is the theme of this chapter? Ashtadasha Adhyaya. Tattvamasi, he has explained. And Swasampradaya Shuddhi, that I am not saying something on my own. I have the balam of my Acharya Parampara and that Acharya who has received blessings from Bhagavan Narayana. He has done tapas in the Badrik Ashrama, Badrinath Kshetra. So Swasampradaya Shuddhim cha uktva Tattvamasyaadi Vakyad eva Aparoksha Jnana. He says by Vakya alone means Mahavakya Shravanam and Vichara should give Aparoksha Jnana. Atmani iti Prakarana Siddhanta. Actually, this is Vedanta Siddhanta. Mahavakya will give Jnanam. Mahavakya will give Aparoksha Jnanam. Mahavakya alone will give Aparoksha Jnanam. This Siddhanta he is explaining now. Nityamukta sadevasmi Tyevam chenna bhaven matihi Kimartham shravayatyeva Matruvachrutiraadarat Nityamukta sadevasmi Tyevam chenna bhaven matihi Kimartham shravayatyeva Matruvachrutiraadarat Nityamukta sat eva asmi iti evam मतिः न भवेत् चेत् किमर्थं श्रुतिः आदरात् मातृवत् श्रुतिः आदरात् और किमर्थम श्रुतिः मातृवत् आदरात् श्रावयति एव. If from the Mahavakya this buddhi does not take place, that I am Nitya Muktaha Sad Eva Asmi iti evam matihi na bhavet chet, then the whole effort of Shruti will go waste. Purpose of Shruti is to produce this buddhi. Nitya Muktaha Sat Eva Aham Asmi means Aham Brahmasmi. And if somebody says, no, Shruti will produce some knowledge. After that, you have to do Ahani Ahani, Dragiyasa Kalena, Aham Brahmasmi, this Upasana, Prasankhyanam. Then what it will do? It will produce, it will remove all the bandhana or pratibandha and it will give the jnanam Aham Brahmasmi. How? What is the Shruti? Devo Bhutva Devan Apyati. Or the other matam is Ganga Srotavat Aham Brahmasmi, this vichara you have to do. And then when you do, then what will happen? Paroksha Jnanam will get converted into Aparoksha Jnanam. That Aparoksha Jnanam is liberating knowledge. What is the Shruti Uddharana given?
असकृत आवृत उपदेशात्.
Where am I quoting from? You remember? I am referring to the last Naishkarma Siddhi class.
तमेव धीरो विज्ञाय प्रज्ञां कुर्वीत.
Prajñam kurvita brahmana. Dhiro Vijnaya Prajñam kurvita. So Vijnaya and then Prajñam kurvita. In this way, Purvapaksha says first you have to know Paroksha, then Prajñam kurvita means you have to do Aparoksha. This way. These are all Purvapakshas. Kimartham, if the Aparoksha Jnanam is not the Prayojanam, why would the Shruti, like mother, Matruvat, Bhagavan Bhashyakar in Kathopanishad Bhashya says she is like thousands of mothers. If one mother loves you, thousands of mothers, how much they will love you? If one mother is your well-wisher, thousands of mothers, how much they will be your well-wishers? So if one mother says, don't go near fire, and you understand, thousands of mothers, they say, don't go near Anatma. And still we don't understand. Matruvat Shrutihi Adarat Shravayati Eva. See Tika. Sadevaham Aham Eva Sadasmi. Tatvameva Tvameva Tat. In this way. Sadevaham Aham Eva Sad Asmi. Nitya Mukta Iti Evam Chet. Tad Aparoksha Matir Vedanta Vakyat Na Bhavet. That Aparoksha Jnanam does not take place through Vedanta Vakya, Mahavakyat, na bhavet, tarhi evam siddhavan nirdeshena tattvamasi iti shrutihi kimartham kasmad adrita adaravati punah punar mata iva putra hitaishini shravayet ityartha. If from Vedanta Vakya aparoksha jnanam does not take place, then tarhi evam siddhavan nirdeshena. Tattvamasi Mahavakya is telling you something what is already siddha, not sadhya. Siddhavat nirdeshena Tattvamasi iti shrutihi kimartham. For what purpose? Kasmad adrita. Adrita shrutihi. Adarvati. Shruti which has so much respect. Punaha punaha mata iva, like a mother. Putra hitaishini. One mother is so much well-wisher of son or daughter. Imagine thousands of mothers. How much they will be well-wishers. So why would Shruti give Tattvamasi Upadesha if it would not produce Aparoksha Jnana? In other words, Shruti Mahavakya Shravanam will produce Aparoksha Jnana. And it will happen here only, not somewhere else. Nitya Aparoksha Swabhavat. Swabhava Nitya Aparoksha Swabhava Atma Swarupatvat Brahmano Vakyadeva Aparoksha Jnanam आरोपित अनर्थ निवृत्ति फलम उत्पद्यत इत्याह. नित्य अपरोक्ष स्वभाव आत्मस्वरूपत्वात् ब्रह्मणः. ब्रह्मणः of Brahman, what is the स्वभाव? It is nitya aparoksha. And it is Atma Swarupa, it is not different from Atma. Yat Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. Ya Atma Sarvantaraha. In this way, that Vakya is in Kahol Brahmana 351. So what is Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma is Sarvantara Atma. In this way, Vakya Deva Aparoksha Jnanam. Through Vakya alone, Vakya Deva Aparoksha Jnanam. Natu Vakya Shravana Anantara Upasanaya. Natu Vakya Shravanantaram. What is the next word I want to say? Who is the Purva Paksha in this chapter?
Prasankhya.
Prasankhyanat. Vakyadeva Aparoksha Jnanam. Natu Prasankhyanat. Aropita Anartha Nivritti Phalam. Aparoksha Jnanam and Aropita Anartha Nivritti. Aropita Anartha is Shoka Moha. I am Dukhi. This Jnanam Utpadyate. Ityaha. This next shloka, full-time student should memorize. Siddhadevahamityasmat Yushmad dharmo nishidhyate Rajvami vahidir yuktya Tattvamityadi shasanaihi Siddhadevahamityasmat Yushmad dharmo nishidhyate Rajvami vahidir yuktya Tattvamityadi shasanaihi. This is most beautiful, very powerful shloka, Siddhanta shloka. See, Ahamiti asmat yushmat dharmo nishidhyate. From asmat, yushmat dharma nishedha we have to do. And what is that asmat? Asmat is aham iti. Aham iti asmat. That aham is siddha already. Siddhat eva aham iti asmat. So aham is already siddha. From that siddha vastu, all I have to do is eliminate yushmat. Yushmat dharmo nishidhyate. How? Yuktya tattvam ityadi shasanai. So the anvaya will be तत्त्वम इत्यादि शासनैः युक्त्या रज्ज्वाम् इव अहिधीः सिद्धादेव अहमित्यस्माद् युष्मद्धर्मो निषिध्यते. रज्ज्वाम् इव अहिधीर् इति दृष्टान्त. सो तत्त्वम इत्यादि शासनैः, by तत्त्वमसि इत्यादि महावाक्य, युक्त्या, then when I apply yukti, then siddhat eva aham iti asmat, from the swayam siddha atma, which is asmad pratyaya or aham pratyaya gochara, from that yushmat dharma I have to eliminate. Whatever anatma dharma is there, I have to remove. युष्मद् धर्मो निषिध्यते. रज्ज्वाम इवा हि धीर, just as रज्ज्वाम in rajju, ahi dhi, ahi means sarpa, sarpa buddhi निषिध्यते. रज्ज्वाम इव ahi dhi means रज्ज्वाम ahi धीर युक्त्या यथा निषिध्यते. इव means तद्वत्, like that. Through तत्त्वमसि महावाक्य, शासन means अनुशासन. That is shastra, shasanat shastram. So by shastra mahavakya and yukti, from aham all I have to do is remove yushmat and check, did I understand I am Brahma or not? If not, again. Siddhadeva Hamid. And this Ashmat and Yushmat Shabda, Bhashyakar is using from Brahma Sutra introduction. Asmat is Atma. Yushmat is Ahankara. From Atma, all the Ahankara and its dharmas I have to eliminate. Then what remains is me, real me. Just as from Rajju, you eliminate Sarpa Adi Buddhi, then only Rajju will remain. Aham ityatra, aham shabda lakshyat, aparokshataya swata siddhat atmanah sakashat yushmad dharmah paragartho ahankaradis tattvam ityadi shasanair yuktya sahitaihi शोधितार्थैहि इति यावत्. अहम इति अत्र अहम शब्द लक्ष्यात्, अहम शब्द लक्ष्य, अहम इति अत्र अहम शब्द लक्ष्यात् अपरोक्षतया. सो अहम शब्द लक्ष्यार्थ is Atma. The aham shabda in shloka refers to aham shabda lakshyartha. From aham shabda lakshyartha, which is aparokshataya, jnata, aparokshataya, swata siddhat atmanah sakashat. Swata siddhatma, which is there, in its proximity. Actually, in aham shabda lakshyartha, really speaking, there is no yushmat dharma. Yushmat dharma bhranti, you can say. In aham shabda lakshyartha, which is swayam siddha, in that there is yushmat dharma bhranti. अध्यार होता है, तो अध्यास. That अध्यास निवृत्ति is what I have to do. युष्मद् धर्मः पराग अर्थः. पराग अर्थो, पराग means अनात्मा, opposite of प्रत्यक. पराग अहंकारादिस तत्वमित्यादि शासनैः युक्त्या युक्त्या सहितैः शोधितार्थैः. युक्त्या सहित, so you have to read it this way. अहंकारादि परागर्थः तत्वमित्यादि शासनैः शोधित. युक्त्या सहितैः शोधित. तत्वमित्यादि शासन means शास्त्र अनुशासनम and yukti sahita. By that, shodhita artha. So where ahankaradi bhranti is there, that is eliminated. Shabda lakshyartha, why you didn't take aham shabda vachyartha? Because swata siddha is lakshyartha actually. So swata siddhat atmanah, when it is given, therefore it is lakshyartha. In lakshyartha you say anyway there is nothing, there is no trace of Yushmat Dharma. So in lakshyartha there is bhranti of Yushmat Dharma. In Atma there is sansargadhyasa and swarupadhyasa of anatma. What is the meaning of swarupadhyasa? In Atma there is swarupadhyasa of anatma. Means what?
परिच्छिन्न भाव.
Anatma borrows the Sat aspect of Atma.
Anatma borrows the Sat aspect of Atma. Correct. But you have to put in Shastriya language, in this language of what is being said here. Swarupadhyasa means Anatmanah Swarupam is adhyastha in Atma. Anatma is Swarupatah adhyastha. And Anatma's sansarga in Atma is also adhyastha, is also adhyasa. Whereas Atma's only sansarga is Atma Swarupa is not adhyastha, because Atma is Swayam Siddha, Swata Siddha. शोधितार्थैः इति यावत् निषिध्यते भ्रम गृहीत पारोक्ष्य सद्वयत्व आकार विलापनेन आत्मतत्वं प्रतिपाद्यत इत्यर्थः. निषिध्यते, because the shloka says Yushmat Dharmo Nishidyate. Nishidyate means what? He says Brahma Grihita Parokshya Sadvayatva Akara Vilapanena. Out of Brahma, I have done Grahanam of things like Parokshya, Sadvayatva, etc. Parokshya is seen where?
Brahma.
And Sadvayatva?
Both are seen in Ashmat Pratyaya. Paroksha and Sadvayatva.
Vakya Vritti, those who have studied, they should have the clarity here. Paroksham
Parokshayatvam is seen in Ishvara.
in Tatpada, and Sadvayatvam in Tvampada.
In Ahankara, in Tvampada.
Tatpada and Tvampada in Vakyavrutti Shloka. Tatpadasya Paroksham and Tvampadasya Sadvayatvam. Tattvamasi will remove both of them. Tattvamasi Mahavakya will remove Paroksha Buddhi in Brahma, and it will remove Sadvayatva, means Sadvitiyatva Buddhi in Atma. Means what I want to point out is this Tikakar, when they write some sentences, they already have in their mind some work of Bhashyakara. Parokshatvam is there in Brahma. I feel always Brahma is something, Brahma is something. I am Brahma, that I don't feel. So in Tatpada, Paroksha Brahma is there. And in Tvampada, Sadviti. I am there, but this person is there, this person is there. And this person is bothering me so much. And that person, I want to be around, but that person is so far from me. What is this? This is Bhranti, Sadvitiyatva in Atma, in Tvampada. So this will go away. Brahmagrihita Paroksha Sadvayatva Akara Vilapanena Atma Tattvam. Atma Tattva will be Pratipadita. Aham Brahmasmi Chintanam cannot happen unless Tvam Padartha Shodhanam takes place, number one. Number two, Anatma Mithyatva Vichara becomes Dridha. If Anatma is not Mithya, Aham Brahma Vichara will not take place. Means if somebody says Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahma, it has no meaning. Without Jagat Mithya, how can Jiva be Brahma? Drashtanta here is Spashta. Tatra Drashtantartha Spashtaha. Rajju Sarpa Drashtanta is given. Tan Nivrittim Drashtantabhyam Spashtayati. That Nivritti, Nishidhyate, what is given? Siddhadevahamityasmad dharmo nishidhyate. So that Yushmat Dharma Nishedha, for that some Drashtantas are given. Drashtantabhyam. Shastra Pramanyato Gneya Dharmaderastita Yatha Vishapoho Yatha Dhyanad Nutisyat Papmanastatha. Shastra Pramanyato Gneya Dharmaderastita Yatha Vishapoho Yatha Dhyanad Nutisyat Papmanastatha. यथा शास्त्र प्रामाण्यतः धर्मादेहे अस्तिता ज्ञेया. Just as through शास्त्र प्रमाणम धर्मादेहे अस्तिता, धर्म आदिपदेन adharma, swarga, naraka, brahmaloka, all of them are existing. How do I know? Through shastra pramana. Then second yatha, vishapoho dhyanat. Visha apohanam ध्यानात् भवति तथा पाप स्यात्। स्नुति ही मीन्स निवृत्ति। So just as dharmadis jnanam you get from Shastra, and Visha, so some sarpa, damsha is there, Visha has come, then you have to do dhyana. Dhyana means Garuda dhyana. Some Garuda mantra, Bij mantra, you have to do smaranam and dhyanam, then Visha will go away. In the same way, papmanaha sunutihi. Papmanaha means anatma, here. Ahankarasya nivritti. All avidya, anartha, nivritti will take place through Shastra. Shastra pramanyatah. So there is anumanam. Atma jnanam Shastra pramanyatah. Vedavakyatvat. Vedavakyajanyatvat. Dharmadivat. Dharmadi, they are Vedavakyajanya. Or Dharmadi Jnanam, you can say Dharmadi Jnanam, Vedavakyajanyam. And it is known through Shastra Pramana. Atma Jnanam is also Vedavakyajanyam. Atma Jnanam also is Shastra Pramanatah. So, this is one Anumana. Atma Jnanam Shastra Pramanyatah Jneyam. Vedavakyatvat Dharmadivat. Purva Pakshi, he will do one Anumanam, let us say. Aham karta iti jnanam pramanikam pratyakshatvat ghatavat or ghatajnanavat. Aham karta iti jnanam pramanikam pratyakshatvat ghatajnanavat. Siddhanti will do Anumanam. Aham karta iti jnanam apramanikam ajnanajanyatvat rajju sarpa jnanavat. So Purva Pakshi said aham karta is pramanikam. Siddhanti says aham pramanikam, aham karta is apramanikam. Those who are attending Tarka Sangraha, what kind of Anumanam Siddhanti is giving to Purva Paksha? Satpratipaksha. This is called Satpratipaksha Anumanam. Aham karta pramanikam. Siddhanti, same Paksha. He proves opposite sadhya by giving different hetu, like shabdo nitya shabdatvat, shabdo anitya kritakatvat, in this way. So what is said here is through Shastra Pramana, how you get Dharma Jnana. Exactly like that, through Shastra Pramana, you will get Aham Brahmasmi Jnana. Dharmati are Paroksha, therefore you have to do something after that. After Jnanam, there is some Karma Upasana. There is nothing in case of Brahma Jnana. Tika. Yadva. नित्यापरोक्षात्मैव ब्रह्म तद अवगमनश्च अनर्थ निवृत्ति हेतुः इति एतत् क्रमेण दृष्टान्ताभ्यां साधयति। यद्वा और नित्य अपरोक्षात्मा एव ब्रह्म, दिस नित्य अपरोक्षा यद्वा is to be connected with आदेव अहम इत्यस्मात् युष्मद् धर्मो निश्चित्यते from there. तद अवगमश्च अनर्थ निवृत्ति हेतु ब्रह्म ज्ञानम, अवगम means ज्ञानम, नित्य अपरोक्ष ब्रह्म आत्मा ऐक्य ज्ञानम is अनर्थ निवृत्ति हेतु. You will actually become free from all anartha, not physical, sukshma. Manasik anartha will not be there primarily. No shoka, no moha. The low mother, nothing. शांति साधयति। यथा ब्रह्मणः एव आत्मत्वेन अस्तिता, Brahma is existing as Atma alone. How do you say? Vyakarvani. Then sa ikshata. After ikshanam, tisro devata, tejo banna srishti, etc., etc. And then sa yesho anima itadatmyamidam sarvam tat satyam sa atma tattvamasi iti shastra pramanyato jnaya. This whole thing you have to remember. Anena jivena is upakrama, tattvamasi is upasamhara. So pravesha and then aikya. Shastra pramanyatah jnaya. Iti darshtantikam yojya. This is the darshtan. Dhyanad garudadi mantra bija smaranat. By dhyanam means garudadi mantra bija smaranam. Vishapoha sadyo visha nivrittihi. Papa nivritti, I mean. Visha nivritti will happen when Garudadi mantra dhyanam is done. So the first line of the mantra is not explained in Tika. If Purvapaksha says that Dharmadi Jnanam and I am Karta is through Shastra Pramana, we say that is Pramana, but it is having Ajnani as its Vishaya. That's why I gave that Anumana. तथा पापमनो अविद्यादि अनर्थ रूपस्य वाक्याद आत्मतत्व अवगम मात्रेण सद्येव हनुतिः. पापमनः अविद्यादि अनर्थ रूपस्य. Papa is all avidyadi anartha. Papa's result is all dukkham, roga, etc. Vakyat atma tattva avagama matrena. Through vakya alone, atma tattva avagama takes place. Jnanam takes place. Aparoksha jnanam. Sadya eva hnutihi, nivritti. Hnutihi means badarupa nivrittihi syat ityartha. All the anartha, badarupa nivritti. There are two types of nasha, of karya. One is badarupa nivritti. Badarupa nivritti means karana and karana will be existing or karana is gone. Vedanta Paribhasha students. I didn't understand anything. What you said, whoever said.
Karana still remains.
What remains?
In Nivritti, Karana still remains.
But this is Badha Rupa Nivritti. Badha Rupa Nivritti means Karana is avidya. Avidya is also gone. If it is Nasha, like Ghata Nasha if you do, then Ghata Nasha will, Ghata will go in That Ghata Nivritti means Ghata has gone to Mrittika and Mrittika will remain. But in this case, nothing is there. So negation takes place. Badha Rupa Nivritti means Karana Sahita Nasha. इत्यर्थः। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।